Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the fold-up chair from the company EDEUOEY. Not real sure how you pronounce that. As with all my videos, buy these items with my own money. Just do these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So I have bought from this company before. I bought their aluminum folding table for camping and for tailgating, but I also bought this chair to go with it. So the chair is a little bit heavier than the table. The table was extremely light, but this isn't too bad at all. It's got a nice zipper carrying case. Little clip to hang it. This looks like maybe a knob might have come off. Take a look at it. Now, because of the size of this, I might not be able to show you the assembly, but I'll get it set up and then I'll do a screenshot or something to show you what it looks like assembled. So this is going to be the actual seat itself. It's part mesh, part nut, so it should be good as far as staying cool, or if you're wet, something like that, letting some air in. And then the legs themselves. Now, I haven't pulled out any instructions or anything, but it's pretty simple. I'm just kind of pulling all this stuff apart, and you can kind of tell it knows where it's supposed to go. And this is what was this end that I found in there. Looks like it goes maybe here or on another end. I'm going to get it set up and then I'll do a screenshot of what it looks like after final assembly.